Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. In our last lecture, we finished our topic Kamala is clever. Today we are going to start new story Straw, Coal and Bean. First, I will give you introduction of the story. Once there was an old woman who wanted to cook beans. She put some straws and coal in the fireplace and lit a match. A bean dropped from the pot and came near straw and coal. They started talking together and became friends. They decided to go to another land. The coal first crossed the river through straw. It was so hot that straw caught fire and broke into two pieces. They both fell in the river. The bean started laughing. It laughed so much that it burst. A kind tailor was passing by. He picked up the bean and sewed him back together. That's why all beans have a black seam. Now open page number 23, straw, coal and bean. First I will explain you the meaning of these three words. Straw meaning a thin tube made of plastic. Coal, black hard rock which can be burned. Bean, a seed. Start reading. There was an old woman who had a small garden. One day she picked some beans. She wanted to cook them for her dinner. She put the beans on her kitchen table. She collected some lumps of coal. Lumps meaning piece of indefinite size and shape. She put the coal in the fireplace and lit a match. Fireplace meaning structure made of brick designed to contain fire. Lit meaning light. The coals were damp. They would not catch fire. Damp meaning that is slightly wet. Now move on page number 24. Page number 24. Now how can I get this fire going? She said to herself. I know I shall use some straw. Off she went. Off she went meaning she went to another place and brought some straw from the cow shed. Cow shed meaning a building where cows are kept. The dry straw caught fire easily. Soon there was a roaring fire burning. Roaring means loud and powerful. The old woman poured the beans into a pot of water. One bean fell on the floor. The bean fell close to a long piece of straw. Then a glowing coal rolled off the fire. Rolled off meaning reduce or remove, and fell near the straw and the bean. Strange things can happen. The straw, the coal, and the bean began to talk. The straw said, "Hello, friends. Where have you come from?" The coal answered, "I jumped from the burning fire. I'm lucky. I would have become ash in there." Ash meaning black powder that is left after something burnt. The bean said, "I'm lucky too. My brother and sister beans are all in the pot." "I'm lucky too," said the straw. Move on page number 25. I would have gone up in smoke. The other straws have disappeared already. Look. Disappeared meaning stop being visible, no longer see. He pointed to the roaring fire. "We are lucky," said the coal. "But what shall we do now? We have been saved," said the bean. "Let's become friends. Let's get out of here and go to another land." Okay, students, now we are done with our reading, today's reading. Now I will give you some work that you will do on your notebooks. Okay, students, we have done with the reading of page number 23, 24 and 25 today in today's lecture. Now I'm giving you some work. You need to make sentences of these words. Number 1 word is kitchen, number 2 lucky, number 3 peace, number 4 jump, number 5 laugh. You need to make these sentences on your notebook. Answer the following questions. Question number 2. Question number 1 is, what was the woman trying to make? You have read the whole story. half story. Now you need to answer them by yourself. Who began to talk in the story? Question number 2. Who began to talk in the story? You need to answer both these questions and make sentences on your NEET notebook. English Literature NEET notebook. Thank you so much.